Have you ever noticed that good mechanics, real engine builder, when they want to build or rebuild an engine, they pay attention to piston ring gap as if it is life or death matter. Yes, because it is very, very important. If you get it wrong, it's going to determine the outcome of your engine rebuild. It can help your engine to last 200,000 miles, or if you get it wrong, your engine may not even exceed 20 minutes after rebuild. Now let's start. What is piston ring gap? Piston ring gap is the little space between the end of a piston ring when it is placed inside the cylinder bore, as you can see on the screen. This gap is called piston ring gap, and when you place it in the inside the cylinder bore, it is then you refer to it as piston ring gap. If you get it right, if it is too tight, the engine is going to die. It's going to affect the engine. And if it is too loose, the engine is going to lose power. So you must get it right. Now let's talk about why people pay so much attention to this piston ring gap. The number one reason is because of thermal expansion. When your engine is running, there's what you call thermal expansion. Your ring expand, and when your ring expand, if during the expansion, if the ring ends touches each other because the gap was too small, then the ring has nowhere to go, and that is going to cause problem. The ring may bind. It can even cause problem to the cylinder wall. The ring could break, the piston could damage. That will cause total engine failure. That is number one reason why engine builder pay attention to piston ring gap. And what is number two reason? Because of power and compression depends on it. If you get it wrong and your piston ring gap is too wide, you are going to lose compression, you are going to lose horsepower, you are going to have blow by smoke, and your oil will turn to black in no time. Your engine efficiency will definitely drop. So nobody want to spend money rebuilding engine, and after a week or few days the engine starts smoking. That is the second reason why you need to get it very correct, your piston ring gap. What is the difference? Yeah, you should know, which is my number three reason, is that different engine need different gaps. There is no standard for um piston ring gap. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. If you are using day-to-day car, just normal car you run, then your piston ring gap needs a tighter gap. Just a normal random car. But a turbocharged or high performance engine require something different because the engine gets hotter. It need bigger gap. That is why if you are to gap your piston ring gap, you need to consider some certain factors such as the bore size, the type of ring, the engine application, boost level, the fuel type, and expected operating temperature of the engine. So these are the factors that will determine the size of your piston ring gap. And what is number four reason why you need to pay attention to piston ring gap? Because you can't trust the manufacturer always. You need to install the piston into the cylinder bore and use your piston to make it to travel to the middle so that you can determine the piston ring gap. If the gap is too tight, is a problem. If it's too loose, is a problem. That means you need to ensure that it is accurate. So you need to check the manufacturer manual or the rings you are to use, and know which one should you use. So one mistake, if you make this mistake, that will cost you your engine. So what happens when the gap is wrong? These are the things, these are the symptoms if you have when you don't get your piston gap right. Number one is that the engine may be doing overheating. You may have overheating due to the rings. Then the ring may bind or lock. You may have crack on the piston land. Crack on the piston land. It could destroy the cylinder wall, or sometimes the piston or the engine could even seize, and this usually kill your engine. But if the piston ring gap is too loose, what is going to happen? You are going to notice low compression. You notice that the engine will be burning more oil. You are going to notice blow by smoke. You are going to experience lose power. You notice that your engine run dirty. If you change your oil, now you notice that the oil become dirty in no time, and it reduces engine life. So that is why you see that all engine builders